It is the morning of day 2, right outside of Phoenix, Arizona. It's a very nice morning, except it is hot and the sun isn't even out yet. We're in Abilene, Texas now.
I just woke up from a nap.
We showed up at the hotel and we had a reservation at the hotel and they said, we're fully booked and the room that we have for you guys isn't clean. And we said, food.
Now we're waiting. I'm really tired. It's like 3 o'clock.
It's not food. It is 9:30 San Diego time, but 11:30 here time.
It feels like 3. That's our update.
Hey, just finished 13 hours of driving. We made it to our hotel and we're sleepy.
Yeah. So goodbye, y'all. That was our update. We finally got a room after like a long wait. It's attacking me. So right now, we are rescuing a bug.
My mom wanted to kill it.
However, we are humane here and we don't kill bugs.
Except when they're food and I eat them because I do have bugs as food. So every hotel we go to, we have to check the pillows.
Good. But why do we have to do this stuff?
Because we're allergic to fellow feathers.
Feathers.
Pillows with feathers in them.
And because we want to be super safe, we have 2 sneakers. Awesome, they look good, they smell good. Good to go. Feels really good.
So my dad and I just left Abilene, Texas, and we're on our way to go a different route than my mom and my sister, because we're going to drive through Arkansas, which is a state that I haven't been to yet. Okay, so the plan was for me to go to Arkansas and to step into Arkansas. But first, so we got lost and we went to Texas and we stopped in Texas. We're like, okay, this is Texas, this isn't Arkansas. So then we were gonna drive to Arkansas and then we took the wrong highway, stayed in Texas, and then we went backwards to go onto the highway to Arkansas. And we're like, you know what, let's just stop at a gas station because we need gas soon and just to go to the bathroom break, whatever. So we go down this highway to get to Arkansas. And the nearest gas station's in Louisiana, and there's no gas station in Arkansas. So we just pulled over to the side of the highway so I can step out. I'm in Arkansas now. This is Arkansas. Welcome to Arkansas. I have now reached Arkansas. My goal is fulfilled.
So we're in a mall right now. In this mall, down this long hallway, there's a door, no handle, but then it's also a doorbell. So like, not sure where that goes.
We disturbed the swallows by flying our drone around, and they're very confused about what it is.